Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this Bluetooth hand-free. When we connect charger, it is charging. When we turn it on, one side speaker is connecting with mobile, second speaker no audio output. Let's repair it. Yes, it is connected. This is working while this is not working. It is not giving continuity. It must show resistance here. It is 28 ohm. This side no resistance. This wire is not giving continuity. Speaker is good. This wire is giving continuity. This is not giving continuity. Yes, this wire started continuity from here. That means the removed piece was disconnected. Yes, now we have continuity. Now its both speakers are working nicely. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.